Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, a bit of an update on a video we did earlier on the slapping senator Elisha Abbo, or the sex toy senator, or the dildo senator, because this guy now has several appellations now. So a bit of an update on that story. Senator Elisha Abbo apologizes for assaulting nursing mother at sex toy shop. So that's the headline. Senator Elisha Abbo apologizes for assaulting nursing mother at sex toy shop. So now to the body of the story. Senator Elisha Abbo, at a media briefing in Abuja today, July 3rd, apologized to the nursing mother he assaulted at a sex toy shop, captured in a viral video. The senator, representing Adamawa North, who claimed he has never been known or associated with assault in the past, blamed it all on anger, which he said he is sincerely sorry for. Elisha Abbo broke down in tears as he pleaded that all Nigerian men and women should forgive him, and added that the backlash he has faced so far has taught him a lesson as a private citizen and a public officer. He said, "It is with deep remorse and a sense of responsibility that I, Senator Elisha Abbo, profoundly apologize to all Nigerians, the Senate, the People's Democratic Party, my family, friends, as well as our mothers and the Nigerian women. I personally apologize to Bibra," that's the name of the woman that he assaulted, "and her family for my action towards her, which has brought immense discomfort in our body politic. I have never been known or associated with such actions in the past. Regardless of what transpired prior to my expression of anger, I am sincerely sorry and plead that all men and women of good conscience should have the heart to forgive me. To err is human, and to forgive is divine. To the Church of God everywhere in the world, I am sorry. As an ambassador of Christ, much is expected of me. My family and religious upbringing do not give approval of such conduct, and for this, as a leader, I seek forgiveness before God and all those who feel offended by my action. Indeed, this episode has taught me a very great lesson." So this is what this guy has to say in by way of a public apology. So now there's two elements to this. What this guy did is unforgivable because it's a crass and a crude abuse of power, and really it is not, there's no justification for it, and you can't then act out of anger. You can't knowingly do something wrong and then think that you can apologize and then that makes it all right. So that's unacceptable, and I think some sort of punishment should still take place. So that's the first thing. The second thing is it is refreshing to see a Nigerian public figure own up immediately to a wrongdoing and apologize publicly, and then wait for the repercussions of his action. So maybe this is something that Babatunde or Abiodun rather, Fatoyinbo can learn from, and all of these elements that we have been discussing, who will do something wrong and double down and act arrogant and as though they are above humanity, or acting like some sort of crude area boy mentality. But this guy, he is a crude area boy, and to say that he hasn't done this before or this is out of character is a complete lie. You only have to look at his wife and the repression and fear that is in the eyes of that woman. You only have to look at her to know that this is a guy that beats up his women routinely, his sisters, his mother, whoever, all the women in his yard, he gives them regular beating. There's absolutely no doubt about that. So this is somebody that does this regularly, but he has come out to publicly acknowledge it. He has not denied it, one, and he has not said it's not him too. He has tried to claim that the video was doctored, but he didn't really push that line too far, and now very quickly has now come out to make a public statement to say, I apologize for doing this. I was caught up in the moment due to the circumstances of that moment, but nevertheless this is something that should not have happened. My apologies to the person that this happened to, and for embarrassing myself in public in this manner, and please forgive me. So now that is is a good development and a step in the right direction, because it is very rare that you will see a public figure in Nigeria come out to publicly own up to a wrongdoing. So this is now where this guy is now positioned, and this is where this story is now positioned, and this is the latest development. Conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. Apology from the slapping sex toy dildo senator. So are you accepting the apology, and what are you making of it? But before you come join me in the comment section to have that conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray, bell button, that way you are notified every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you're making of all this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.